Jay Ridge, Ferna, Clear Lake. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lincoln County in southeast Arkansas, southeastern Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, western Arkansas County in southeast Arkansas until 8:30 p.m. At 7:59 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes and large hail. This severe storm was located 6 miles southwest of Cottondale, or 8 miles southeast of Pine Bluff. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. In addition to the tornado, this storm is capable of producing large damaging hail up to golf ball size. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Woodville, Richardson, Matting, Little Bayou Meadow Park, Linwood, Langford, English Lake, Cottondale, Swan Lake, Sarasa, Radell, Canebrogen, Noble Lake, Moscow, Lodge Corner, Lat, Glen Lake, Cornerstone. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 43 and 45. A tornado